na mampani John Dramani Mahama eba betina adwaso no na ni suade hunu ni so obeboa na Ghana etumi etumpon na akonanim. But as usual say de bia na meka say amampanimfo na wo mo ba no empempi wo mo ba ya na wo mo wo Ghana akoma ewo mu se wo mo de beboa Ghana. But adia ya na ha wo mo pa eye wo mo political parties na ede wo mo bae. Ba na political parties no I forget to say there was difference between governing with political party no. So we are party chairman and our party executive and also we are party ni penny no. There was difference room. Any difference was so we are Ghana nyina man penny. I saw we Ghana mpumtu no. And a party ni refi. Enti eno na ka hu bebre a e ma man penimfo bebre o mabedi o man so anka eso mo bua mo man ni tumpon no afeli. Enti Ghana ye akọ after 60 years of our independence over 60 years ayekui yentimi hunu ye ho ano because ya man yokuo ahodo a ediyen eba no in the Fourth Republic particularly from 1992 di ben amount penifo a eba manyokuo na de wo mo ba no e try say e hye wo mo so a e piepia wo mo a mebeduru ba bi no adwen papa wo de ba yese nkodi bebu man no na atonsuom. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama anhwe ni yi a that is what the NDC in the party for be manaye. I know say John Dramani Mahama e de adwen pa. And he said he has learned his lessons in John Mahama 1, the first term. And what this term, I am a legacy term, say, Obebo no modern say, Beya Ghana, Ebeye Krabehe. But there are people in the NDC, Ebeyam Peninfo, Awomu Kabiye ye wo NDC mua, say John Dramani Mahama, one show we ya, Wombema, when is wadi no atunzum. What legacy no, Ebeye disgrace. Na mami ye friend no Anita Desoso bra Facebook in 104.5 on that screen this week obey first national vice chairperson for the NDC obey national women's organizer deputy national NADMO coordinator ni nyina posua wadi e NDC NDC aban ban so man deputy national NADMO coordinator na samami wawo amanyosemua in fact about 40 years ni the experience no doubt but my disappointed kakra in this woman oyobia no me penansem pa because se wo hwe ema wo mutimi gina mimi hu ma o mu wura amanyosem a wo mutimi gina na wo mu ensuro bibia na wo nya kukudo no mutimi ko manimu a eya no mani je ho. But she disappointed me pa me pese wutie we na me wi ade me woka no maka
yenkwala ne bebre lament about employment nyama bebre ne tosumienu obi o hoye nim no party no me dey I will say it as it is. MPP fo ni bi o mu didi atem ne niema yehu o mu dodo no kra no ya ma o ma appointment na minim say free ye mpanyimfo no ebi o mo e de ma wo mo no on say ebi eduru be na nkrofo say nkrofo kra ebi ton me dey meka
okay and the ebi ton positions no to people
ton, yes ebi ton anya executives no because I mean one say obi o ho kra ye nim no and a binum so or elections no they were with NPP and so yama my appointment and yama crofo bebrebu for me ma so crime ya crofo aba me fie die no mo nka nam so mo nya abotre because at times no we hear our opponents for certain things
okay
and so yenye enemies NDC NPP yenye enemies ti ebetumi aba say indirectly no ebi a wo mo so ye bibi nam de akam wo mo down me pa cha what I say Nti me de metu ye mpanyimfo.
But you think say grassroots for more
yes,
yes. E bi mo ho no mo a party na yi omo esinchen.
Yes, nti omo bu afu. Nti ye na ya na afro mo nya abotre. Nti me feel say emre na so a grassroots no so was say respect them because without them no into me no baby ayaye den ye do no. Afis my advice for in future no. Ebe ye. Nemom see your office near my appointment anyhow. Yan hwe ye a ebi ansa MPP for fa be wururu mu. Omo pa omo kan chem se meboa. Appointment anyhow. Yan hwe ye a ebi ansa MPP for fa be wururu mu. Omo pa omo kan chem se meboa.
MPP for ni me omo ye MPP members and no more appointment when DC government
say e ma kra wo. Ebi ni wa me fie. Me mo di nkrofo ba me fie ma ni e ma ekoso ni no de we a kire na e ma ekoso no de we a kire. Me se munya abotre because he say ni wo fie. Na me ya adoma na me start wuramu a me kwa kwhwe se ne mo kan. Eye no kre. Se ye no kre a na afi ye di hu.
Mami Anita Desoso no. Afi ne conclusion ho kakra no a mekwa akohwe se de mo ka no eye no kra. But already u share won komo ase no wedi kan aka se omo ton appointment no. Na se no so no uye nhwehwemu wie. Ansa na wo beka za asem we ana. Is that true? You see, empenifo bi no wa NDC ni mu a omo dwen se omo ache wom. Omo na ka biye ye enti no. They want John Dramani Mahama say oye de omo no pe. Enkrofo a no omo pese ya appoint wo omo ankrasa nkrofo omo supporters bi a omo didi omo achi sum omo no a omo anya appointment no. Eye omo ya e wo mu e na omo hyase say they want to attack John Dramani Mahama government no so that we be attended to omo de omo pe na wa ye de amom. Government is not compensation for party suffering. My country Ghana amemu no. Enye ade a ye de compensate say ena wo no abre na no nsem hunu a ye hu wo ayi tema ayi metro ho no. Na party full soldiers bi yakoto to NHI office mu, National Health Insurance office mu, adan a constituency for no ya bre ya ye campaign ya my appointment enti no ya betum ya ma aban adwuma na nya adwuma. All those things are omo ye ni nyina ma me wo mu ka ho. You can't tell me someone ka ho. Look at how you are speaking about even the appointment. And no be an deserve appointment send out by bar onya appointment. And a president being will not MPP, not NDC, and will be to me appointed the party members in there. So be a wabe be a will to me a man position. Now I appoint MPP for no appointing way for. Is it the first time I will see? Under His Excellency John Ejekum Kufuor, former president, Dr. Pakosi Indium, CPP, or Henry India or say Braba Boame. Minister of Economic Planning and Regional Cooperation, no ordinary energy public sector reform, no ordinary Kayalaji, Malamisa PNC, no ordinary Minister for Youth and Sports, Kowachi Nekore, Professor Kasim Kasanga, CPP. Woman in your appointment at my Bedua Kosa, South Benu CPP. Any appointment under former President John Ejekum Kufuor because or they are going to be by say my main fan perform in India no bet me are competent people and you do we kete we say my main fan mo bet me are adwuma no now we can grassroots and now why about Dr. Frank Amwaku Kinidin share the qualifications and the experience. Omo mama bubu omu di nyina ma appointment no. You see why omu di he na qualify. Just come out and say it. Anita Desoso. Mahama ka ena da hono. On January 24, 2025, also my appointments are based on merit and competence. ɔso wɔ hwɛ ɔmo betumi ayɛ adwuma no na ɔmo wɔ nimdeɛ wɔ ho betumi ayɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ wɔ brentia ɛna ama Ghana yɛ brɛ no ɛna ama Ghana nkɔ n'anim no enti yɛmfa obiara nkogum yɛtia yɛnya 120 ministers yɛ akyire ɛmfa so bɛ na de brɛ yɛ enti wɔn so a obiara megum yɛhwɛ ne yɛnya deputy ministers bɛyɛ miɛnsa na kyɛ sɛ wɔayɛ appointment ne huhu ne yɛnya nipa bɛyɛ 200 adan a Mahama satisfy ɛyɛ full soldiers nti grassroots nti wɔn fo mu nyinaa megum na ɛbɔ ɔman ne ka ɔmo bange na ɔmo de bɛka ho wɔn sɛ amanyɔkuo no aka ho bi na de saa wɔ ha yi ɛba appointment yɛ based on competence ni obetumi ayɛ ɛna yɛde ne kɔmu ne obi abrɛ wɔ party mu obi a grassroots person sabe ɔno kura no bi a akenkan kura wɔntumi nkenkan saa person no wabrɛ nti yɛmfa no nkɔto board so na wɔn kɔyɛ procurement ɛkɔtotɔ no ma ne ade a sabe bi a wɔntumi nkenkan baabi kura yɛde ne kɔhyɛ no kura wɔni nimdeɛ wɔ hɔ wɔde na kɔhyɛ oil and gas no mo kɔtɔkɔ mo kyerɛ mo times no kura wɔn ti aseɛ enti no ane sɛ wɔtoa na wɔde pen asi paper so no ma kɔtotɔ ne abɔ ma ne ka susuo ani yɛ ho saa I thought senka ube can say be ye because of say o favorite people in your appointment in you want to say and omo ye say and omo ton and omo ye den and omo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama where's our kind it's about competent people and yet do wura and woman for so na nkofa wura bia megum e kina bi no say wura no kra no beba be disika abebo man kro no say wura no omo na bebo man kro no enko say wura bia megum they will be the problem for your government. Be firm. No mo ani nya den na de si wani so no koso ane koso e masa party fo we no mo fi se omo de omo ye matu sala for party ni mu no e me confuse with government. Be focused. John Mahama and move forward. Na ignore sa we ni mu sa no a omo ye sa no ma no ebusunya me ba.
Nhyira 104.5